Hello everyone, thank you for watching me. My name is Doni Oriza Sativianto and I am postgraduate student of Unindra University majoring in English. I'm here to talk about building speaking confidence, overcoming the fear of mistakes in EFL. Let me start with a question. How many you ever felt nervous to speak English because you were afraid of making mistakes? Yes, you are not alone. This is something almost every learner experience. Today we'll explore why the fear of making mistakes holds us back and more importantly, how we can improve it to become more confident English speakers. The importance of mistakes in language learning has two functions. For the first, essential for learning. Mistakes provide valuable feedback and highlight areas needing improvement. They allow us to learn from our errors and adjust our approach to language learning. Mistakes play a crucial role in the language learning process because they act as signposts for improvement. When we make a mistake, it gives us clear evidence of what we don't yet fully understand or where our skills may need fine tuning. And the second is opportunities for growth. Each error is a chance to refine our understanding and improve our pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to grow. Mistakes are not just mistakes, they are powerful tools for progress in language learning. Every time we make an error, whether it's mispronouncing a word, using the wrong verb tense, or choosing an incorrect vocabulary term, it creates an opportunity to refine our skills by identifying and addressing the errors. We can deepen our understanding of the language nuances and rules. In this slide, we will find out the causes of common fears and worries about making mistakes. Fear of judgment. Worrying about others judging our language skills can hold us back. It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, and the more we speak, the better we get. Moreover, the more you speak, the more comfortable and skilled you become. Over time, practice help reduce the frequency of mistakes and boost your confidence. And the next, embarrassment and humiliation. The fear of looking foolish or feeling embarrassed can be paralyzing. Reframe mistakes as part of the learning process. They are inevitable and ultimately harmless. Instead of focusing on potential embarrassment, remind yourself that every mistake is a harmless and valuable opportunity to grow. Over time, the fear of looking foolish diminishes as your confidence and skill improve. And the next, self-criticism and perfectionism. Strive for progress, not perfection. Be kind to yourself and recognize that making mistakes is a natural part of language acquisition. Remember that making mistakes is a universal part of acquiring any new skills, including a language. It's through these mistakes that we can identify area to improve, gain clarity, and ultimately learn more effectively. Perfection is not required to communicate. Your goal is to connect and convey meaning. not to have flawless grammar or pronunciation from the start. Here I will explain that there are several strategies to reduce the fear of mistakes. For the first, positive attitude. It is important because maintaining a positive mindset helps to reduce anxiety and focus on progress rather than perfection. Fear of mistakes often stems from negative self-perfection or fear of judgment. And the second is practice regularly. It is important because consistent practice is one of the most effective ways to reduce the fear of mistakes. It helps develop fluency, accuracy, and confidence, making tasks feel more natural over time. Repeated exposure to challenging situations lessens and the fear of the unknown and allows you to approach tests with greater ease. And the third is seek feedback. Why it's important? Seeking feedback is a proactive way to improve and overcome the fear of mistakes. It helps you gain a clearer understanding of your strengths and areas that need development. Constructive criticism provides actionable insights, turning mistakes into opportunities for growth rather than source of embarrassment. And the last in find support. Having a supportive community creates an environment where making mistakes feel less intimidating. When you are surrounded by people who understand and share your learning journey, it fosters a sense of belonging and mutual encouragement. This reduces the fear of judgment and motivates you to take risks that are essential for growth. And the last slide, conclusion. Cultivating a positive attitude towards mistakes. Embrace mistakes as valuable learning tools and remember that everyone makes them. By cultivating a positive attitude towards error, we can build speaking confidence and achieve our language goal. In conclusion, building confidence in speaking English is not about avoiding mistakes but embracing them as part of learning process. Its mistakes become an opportunity to grow, bringing you one step closer to success. I hope today's my presentation has shown you that speaking English confidently is within your reach. It's not about being perfect, but about being brave enough to communicate. As you live here today, I encourage you to take one step out of your comfort zone, whether it's starting a conversation in English or joining a speaking group. Every small efforts make a big difference. Thank you so much for your attention and participation. Good luck.